विदेशमा रुख काट्ने तरिका यो हो नि त। सिङ्गापुरको मरिना बे 7 स्टार होटल मरिना बे भन्छ क्या त्यसलाई। त्यो बिल्डिङलाई मरिना बे भन्छ क्या। मेरील्यान्ड भन्छ नि तर मेरील्यान्ड भनेको युएसएमा पर्छ।
यहाँको होटल यही हो।
यो मरिना बे हो। यताबाट आउने यताबाट आउने त यिनीहरू होटलहरू होला अब कुनै सपिङ कम्प्लेक्सहरू होला होइन, कुनै अब होटल होला सब टुरिस्टहरूको मात्रै थियो। यहाँ त तल भयो
आशा कुरो खै आशा कुरो
के रहेछ सोग्नर छ साम्फुका हजुर। यो टी सर्टको रेट हो। टी सर्टको रेट कति भन्ने पोलो 29, 13, 19 लेखेको कति छ त्यहाँ छैन
टी सर्टहरू यो हो क्या
क्या पऱ्यो त्यस्तो लाउने कि Eleven हेर्दा पनि रहेछ नि त।
सिङ्गापुरे लुङ्गी हाम्रो सिङ्गापुरे साथीहरूको प्लेस हुन्छ नि यो अन्य भनेको यहाँ हो भने नि त्यो टाइममा 12 कति भन्नु 35 अब यो 12 बन्नु लाग्यो त्यस्तो पनि याद फर्कन आउँछ। और आ गया आ गया ना और आ गया और हाँ 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 बस 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 थोड़ा सा ऐसे ही रहना ना भाई हिलना नहीं उल्टी में
ये पूरा पानी अंदर जाएगा। फुल अप्सन वाला है
एकजना गर्दै चलाउँदा जान्दै एकजना निस्किँदाखेरि receiving, left hand is for receiving. Now if you're looking into the fountain and the flow of the water is inwards, Chinese believes water means money. The flow is inwards, meaning to say that bringing the wealth to you. That's why most of the tourist villagers, they will come here, they'll make a circles wishing across all of you the same, with good health, wealth and prosperity. Good luck to you all. If at all you've seen this movie, Hrithik Roshan, Krish, he will be flying from one point to another. So all the 5 towers offices below are the shopping paradise. Chinese, they give very much importance for the 5 elements. Water. Water is a major role in their lifestyle. That's why earlier you see the Merlion sucks water from the mouth. That area is known to be the Singapore River. Singapore itself surrounded by Indian Ocean, South China Sea. Then in the Changi International Airport we have a jewel where the world tallest indoor waterfall is located. Now, Fountain of Wealth. This also consists of water. So it gives very much importance for the Chinese community. Water means money for them. Yeah. So in front of you is the longest bridge connecting east to west, name of the second president, Sir Benjamin Bridge. At the background of the bridge is where we have 2 important icons. The very first is the F1 pit, the starting and ending point of Formula 1 car racing. And next to that is where the Singapore Flyer, the giant wheel. It was used to be the world largest with a height of 165 meters in height, diameter 150. It has total 28 capsules. Each capsule hold 28 persons. In one day it rotates for 28 times. One complete circle takes 28 minutes. In the year 2022, Dubai took over the title. Now they are leading as the world largest, Singapore third in the world, second United States, Florida. So in front of you, that is known to be the Marina Bay Sands Hotel. Across all the 3 towers, they have 2,561 rooms. On top of that, a ship kind of architect, that is where the world highest infinity swimming pool is located. Above Tower 1 and Tower 2. Tower 3 is the observation deck. Level 1 is shopping paradise. Basement is where the Las Vegas Casino is located. Yeah, that is known to be Marina Bay Sands. And this is the starting point and ending point of Formula 1 car racing. You see all now the preparation
from here.
In front. You see that building?
Oh, yeah.
That is in front, the starting and ending point. Now all the preparation is the ongoing. Yeah, so now you see the entries, everything. Yes. This is F1.
Yeah.
कुरा रहेछ यो ठाउँमा पनि हामी पुग्यौँ भन्ने अब पुग्नु पर्यो त्यतिकै सिङ्गापुर सबभन्दा टप भने थाहा पायो है
Here it is. There's no alteration or modification can be done to any part of the exterior.
Like historical?
Historical, correct. Yeah. So how Singapore was in earlier days, there's no alteration, modification can be done. And on the left, this is one of a prominent masjid which is known to be the Sultan Mosque in Arab Street. The reason why we have 3 ethnic communities because we have visitors from all over the world. they want to know more about the culture, traditional, the languages, the authentic food item, all they have to do, visit these ethnic communities, they will get to know more. So that is the primary reason why we have 3 ethnic groups. For example, during the Diwalis, this Little India will be lightened up for 40 days. The same thing for Ramzan. This Muslim community area will be lightened up for 1 month. Chinese New Year, Chinatown will be decorated. During Christmas, Orchard Road will be decorated. So these are the places will be decorated for festival season.
Christian, how many
And
percent
this-
here?
Huh?
Christian, how many percent?
Among
here?
74% of Chinese, majority of them are Buddhism and Christianity.
Yeah.
So on your left, this is the bus terminal connecting Singapore and Johor Bahru, Malaysia.
Johor Bahru also from here.
This is the one.
भोलि यतिबाट बिहान जाने हामीले
So in JB,
Yes,
from here is the bus. Go to JB. All daily 1 lakh people will be coming from Malaysia and over to Singapore
and go back.
So this is the bus they will take from the bus from there. So like morning and evening there will be a very big rush.
1 लाख हुने धेरै
3 lakh.
3 लाख 1 लाख
3 lakh.
Singapore border is
यो चाइनाको यो
back to Malaysia. So like we Singaporean love to go to JB because of go and have good food.
खानामा त पुरा क्यालोरी चेक गरेर दिँदो रहेछ नि त यहाँ क्यालोरी कति खाने हाम्रो 150 क्यालोरी हाम्रो अस्ति चिल्लो बढी यो बढी यताबढी हुन्छ नि बिना हाइजेनिक लेभल बिनाको खाना खान्छ पानी पनि यो सबभन्दा बेटर पानी यही पाउँदो रहेछ मिनरलदेखि लिएर होइन
No, if possible. नत्र वहाँ इन्डिया लिटल इन्डिया जाउँ न सम्भव भएसम्म हामी घुम्नै आएको हो होइन
सातो टन्न खायो भने मजा छुट्यो
देन घुमेको हो त्यो
Only one drop off.
Oh.
Which drop off? One hotel drop
So
off.
how far from the Little India?
Little India to your hotel around 15 minutes.
How much cost pay?
Okay, if you are taking taxi only 4% and taxi maybe around $10 to $15. Left side is full of goldsmith shop. On the right hand side, on the right hand side is they have restaurants and others. So today being a Sunday, you can see a lot of crowd because these are the skilled workers. Every Sunday it is a holiday for them. They'll come Little India to buy their grocery items, send money to the loved ones. Who are these skilled workers? Singapore have lot of skilled workers from India, Bangladesh. They come here for road construction, shipyard, building, construction. So today they come into Little India for purchase. They buy all the vegetables for next 1 week. So today that's why it will be very heavy rush. So this is a proper Little India. Somewhere in the middle is where Mustafa Center is located. Mustafa is a shopping mall in Little India. It's an Indian market.
सानो इन्डियाको पनि सानो चाइनाको पनि आफ्नै एउटा सोसाइटी एउटा मुस्लिम पनि आफ्नै सोसाइटी
Gentlemen, you must listen to my commentary very carefully.
Okay.
Then only you know what to do at Sentosa. I see then now you all have 1 group, 2 group, I don't know how many group you have, but you must stay together. If you go missing, then in Sentosa very difficult to find because you people are not carrying phone also. So please try to stay in the group, move together. It is for your own good. Otherwise, you will have a challenging time inside Sentosa. Okay, from here I will take next 20 minutes, approximately 20 minutes to reach the Universal Studio drop-off point. After I drop you off, please listen. Otherwise, you do record. It will benefit you. You do recording. If you have phone, you just record. So later you can just listen what to do next. Okay. So after I drop you off at the Universal Studio, you take escalator, go up to level 1. So that is where the Universal Studio Globe is located. So you take all your photos, welcome photo. You can walk around, move anywhere as you like. Once you finish, once you're done, you come back to the same place where I drop you. Then take the bus A for America. You take bus A and go to Imbia Lookout. So the frequency of the bus is every 15 minutes, and the journey from Universal Studio to Imbia Lookout may take another 15 minutes. Once, do take note, this bus is a free of cost, no payment, no nothing, free. So once you boarded A, then you just listen to the audio clip played at every stop. So whenever there is a bus stop, the bus captain will play the audio clip. It says, okay, you are at this station. When you heard this information, Imbia Lookout.
India Lookout.
Yes, and it says those tourists wanted to visit cable car, Madame Tussauds, Luge and Skyride. When you heard that announcement at Imbia Lookout, you come down from the bus. If you're not so sure, ask the captain. I'm going to cable car station. Is this Imbia? He say yes. Double confirm. You ready? You come down from the bus and you walk up towards the cable car station. So this is the cable car where you're going for one complete circle. So it's a two-way. From Sentosa, you are going to Mount Faber. So by looking into this mirror, I'm going to explain to your good self. Assuming you're going to board the cable car from Sentosa. Once you boarded the cable car is meant for sharing. 8 persons in a cable car. 8 persons. But you are total 9 of you.
Yeah.
You can inform the staff you wanted to split into half. So they can put you accordingly. Yeah? It's based on how is the traffic there. If less traffic, they'll put you into 2 groups. Once you boarded the cable car, there are total 3 stations. Station 1, you're going to board the cable car. Station 2 and station number 3. Your duty to just remain seated at station 1. Once you boarded, one complete circle, come back to the same place and get down. In between 2 and 3, do not alight. Just remain seated. The entire journey may take approximately about 25 minutes. Okay? You task, enjoy the view of the panoramic view of the Sentosa Island. You will be going above the ocean, enjoy all the view. So you board from here, the cable car goes to station number 2, the cable car door open and close, you should not get down. Then the cable car continues to station number 3, again the cable car door opens and close, you should not get down. Then it comes back to same station number 2, remain seated and back to 1. This is where you have to get down from the cable car. Starting and ending point must be the same. Once you're done with this cable car for one complete circle, then they have like optional tours. Whether you want to go for Madame Tussauds or Luge and Skyride, anything, choice is yours. Otherwise, you come back to the same bus stop where you have alighted, take again bus A and you go to the beach station. Beach station is where you're going to watch this Wings of Time laser show. The duration of the show is approximately 25 minutes. The gate will open at 7 p.m. Entrance will open at 7 p.m. We will strongly encourage you to go and before 7 o'clock for the entry point, because it is a first come first show. So like first come, you get good sitting. It is like a pool amphitheater, something like this. We will suggest you to take a center location. You take a center location, you will have a very good view. Avoid sitting on the either right hand side or left hand side. Go center location, we will have a very good view of the show. This we will be calling it the finale for tonight. This show is a formation of light, water, firework. Very nice show. Okay, you go 7 o'clock, take a center location. The show is only for 25 minutes. After the show ends, you walk back to coach pickup point. You return pickup at 8:15 p.m. from the coach pickup please kindly come to row number A1, America 1, A1. There is row number A, B and C. You come to A1. A1. Yeah. So that is the return pickup location at 8:15 p.m. Now, please kindly check your tickets sent from the office, whether you have both the cable car ticket as well as Wings of Time. On top of that, there should be a video clip. The video clip consists direction how you walk from the Wings of Time leisure show to the coach pickup point. There will be a video clip. Please kindly ensure in the group chat. In the group chat, all these details might have sent to you. Please kindly check and let me know. Thank you.
Here you have nobody to guide us, right?
Yeah. That is the reason I. Yeah, that's why I give all this information to you. Check now. Help me to check from the office you have received that cable car ticket, then your Wings of Time, as well as the video clip. Check whether you have received. So you all coordinate according to each other. So now on the left, this is Indian Ocean. Ocean is Indian Ocean. Sea, South China Sea. That is Gardens by the Bay. Just now you are on the right hand side. That is where you people just know on the right. You are taking all the from the Merlion Park.
अहिले तल अडायो अहिले यता माथि सिटी टुर आज तपाईँ नआउँदाखेरि के हाम्रो सधैँ त्यही वेट गरेँ नि
राम्रैसित बुझ्ने सरले गाइड गर्नुहोस् के हो अब के हो
त्यहाँ फेरि अझ फेरि कुन चाहिँ स्टेसनमा उत्रिने भने थाहा तपाईँको फेरि अझ बसेको भन्दा एकैछिन अर्को मेट्रो भने के हो त्यो मेट्रो के पनि थाहा
मेट्रो भनेको छोटो ट्रेन हिँड्दै आउने हाम्रो पिकअप गर्ने कति बेला भन्नु छ कहाँ पिकअप गर्ने बेला उसले दिएको इन्स्ट्रक्सनमा उसले बोलिरहेको छ भने त्यति बेला सबै सुनौँ क्या नमिले नि सुनौँ एउटा टाइमको चाहिँ उस गरौँ त यो
अब यो क्षेत्र भनेको खालि टुरिस्ट मात्रै कि त्यसले गर्दा मात्रै बिजी भएको यहाँ केही काम छैन यहाँ कहाँ कहाँ देशका आएको छन् 1 लाख 1.5 लाख गएको छन् एसिया
एउटा पुलबाट खालि मलेसिया सिङ्गापुर आउने
खालि अझ त्यो मात्रै
कामको लागि मात्रै आउने
त्यो त खालि बसबाट मात्रै प्लेन गराउँदा रहेछ
प्लेनको जाँदैन प्लेनबाट जाँदैन
सिङ्गापुर जाँदैन
खालि बस
जोरमा कति किलोमिटर छ त्यहाँ
वारिपारि कति बजी हामी आने भोलि होइन टाइम दिएको छैन हेरौँला नि
मलाई त बोलाउनै हानेको कि समुद्र यहाँ पुगेर बनाउँदैछ त
बाढी अब त हुन्छ होइन असलजी
बन्दरगाह आइसल्यान्ड
गाडी
यो अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय बन्दरगाह
सामान ल्याउने हाल्ने यही हो
पोर्ट एरिया हो
नेपाललाई एउटा छोइदियो भने पनि होइन अलि पानी
गाडी आएको ब्रिजबाट
यो भनेको बाउडरमा तपाईँको सामान उहाल्ने हुन्छ आइसल्यान्ड हाम्रो आउँदा हुन्छ त्यस्तै टाइपको बन्दरगाह सुक्खा बन्दरगाह हुन्छ हाम्रो यहाँ चाहिँ
सुनौली भएको सानो
अमेजिङ जस्तो यहाँबाट पुरै यहाँ उडेको
सजिलै पाएछ भने पैसा
एकजना पाँचजना पुरा नै आइसक्यो भने ताती लाउँथ्यो होला गाडी असुको काम अरू छैन
चाइनिजले खाइदियो है जम्मै कता कता होइन चाइनिज यति बाटो हामी
Singapore,
होइन
Sentosa Island. Surrounded by Singapore, we have total 63 islands. One of them which is known to be Sentosa. Sentosa is full of leisure attractions. We have 12 of 5-star property hotels. So on your right hand side, that is a cable car which you're going to take. So from inside, come all the way, take one round and go back again to Sentosa. Yeah.
त्यहीमै जाने हो कि
Boarding,
त्यही हेर्ने हो तल
getting down, same
त्यसमा बस्ने हो त्यस्तो जाने हो हामी
हो त नि जम्मै घुमाउने हो क्या
So in front, that is Universal Studio. There are total 6 zones. One of the zone is this one, the castle. Like that, they have 6 zones.
तलबाट देखेर अब माथिबाट हेर्ने हो क्या
निरीक्षण हेर्ने टिकट हुनु मेट्रो हेर्ने त्यही हो नि सेन्टोसाको मेट्रो
सानो पहाड हेर्नु
त्यही ढिलेर पारिपट्टि बल्या चढे हुन्छ होइन
Right. I don't know how the system works, but you want to go inside, take
जित्यो भने त जित्यो
you go and see inside all the
भित्र जाने हो भने यहाँ चाहिँ खाने पिने फ्री नै हुन्छ है क्यासिनो भित्र फ्री हुन्छ $50 खेले हुन्छ
आयो भने केटाहरूलाई घुम्न यही बाटोमै सिगारेट दुबैले सबैले ससेज नगर्दै है
lot of free time. So you want to go sometimes spend it also can. But don't spend too much money. Just go see. Yeah.
त्यही भन्नु होइन सभा
लगना बहुत होता
नाङ्गे हेरे चाहिँ यो
जाइए घूम फिर के आइए नहीं तो फायदा की है एक तो इन्होंने एस्टडी करा रखी है अपनी फोन से
अहिले लास्ट आएपछि ल एक राउन्ड घुमाउनु क्या पहिला जम्मै ठाउँ पाउँछ नि एक्सप्रेस
Sentosa.
एक्वेरियम एभरेज कभर वाटर पार्क पार्कमा बसेर हेरेर
त्यही त अहिले गाउँबाट घुम्न आउँछ नि होइन घुम्न आइसकेपछि त यहाँ त कमसेकम बसेर यसो रमाइलो त गर्नु पर्यो त्यही हो कि सबैको
वाटर ठुलो यही त हो नि पानी आयो
अब यहाँ यस्तोमा भाँडोमा हालेर चाहिँ खनाइरहेको छ किन हाम्रो काङ्लैबाट आउँछ पानी त्यही फरक हो
वाटर ठुलो त ठुलो हो नि वाटर त ठुलो हो नि
हो त नि
Can I take your picture for you? No, we didn't. No, you will take yours. I'll get in. Hey, one. Say hello, guys. Hello, my friends. Hello, my friends from Singapore. Thank you. सामान्य नखिचेकै त उहाँ मैले बनाउँदैछु
यहाँ तलबाट बाफ आउँदो रहेछ के कल पऱ्यो रहेछ तातेर होइन र
पाइप राखेर वाटरफल छ
अहिले चल्ने
यो देखेको चटनी हो यही
के
भन्दा नि यहाँ जाने हिँडे जानु पर्यो
केवलबाटै देखिन्छ नि कि टाढो आइराख्नु पर्यो
यहाँ पनि आउनको लागि त जाने आएर गर्नु पर्यो नि आएर गर्नु पर्यो आएर त म आएन आफ्नो नम्बरको इन्जिनियर कता जान्छ मलाई त इन्जिनियरसँग डल्लो देख्नु पायो
कहाँ आउँछ नि के भनेको चार पाइएको किन सानिज पुग्यो लेखेको रहेछ होइन
Ayo quero foto, ninguém pode levar. यहाँबाट तक रहेछ क्या त्यो डल्लो माथि जाँदैछ है
उताबाट ढकल्दै माथि गएछ नि त्यही
धकेलिएर
माथि जाने आएको त्यो उयोहरूलाई पुलिसहरूलाई भुलाउन यहाँ सबै खेल्नु
यो फर्सीको एउटा माथि जाँदैछ भाइ
आगोलाई भुलाउन छिटो आउने होला
यहाँ चढ्ने हो र
अहिले केबल कार गर्न आउनु गइन्छ त
होइन त्यहाँभन्दा माथि एउटा उस देखिन्छ अरे क्या